Open your eyes. Go Sand, investing in the road to freedom once again. 7 reasons to invest in Forex market. Reason number 1, Forex market is the largest market in the world. We are talking about transactions for $5 trillion every day. There is a big difference between Forex market and stock market, and the difference is the liquidity. This is a massive difference, because when there is low liquidity, for example in the stock market, few people can manipulate the market very easily. More liquidity is more precision. More liquidity is always less risk. If the stock market is like a swimming pool, the Forex market represents the entire ocean. The reason number 2 to invest in Forex is what the banks do with your money. The banks trade Forex with your money, my money, every day, but without share the revenue with you. Saving your money in the bank, you will receive only 2% per year, a year. If you invest the same quantity of money in Forex, you will receive as well 2%, but in one day. And the big difference here is the ROI, is the return of investment. With Forex is very powerful. But you have to consider another particular. When I said you will receive from the bank 2%, it's not true at all, because you have to consider as well the inflation, and that depends about your country where you live. And you know, as me, that most of the time is more than 2%. Reason number 3, because it's very accessible. You can start participating in a hedge fund with a few $1,000s. Most people think that to participate in a hedge fund, to make an investment in Forex, you need $100,000. That's not true. It's not like that. All that depends about the hedge fund you choose. This depends about the rules of each hedge fund. They will ask you for minimum, maybe for example $10,000. Another can ask you $20,000. Another 100,000. The point is here is to choose the right hedge fund for you. The reason number 4 to invest in Forex is what I call the gold investing strategy. Means is like have a new brand car or a precious ring for free. Using this strategy, and it's very simple. For example, you invest $10,000. You start investing with this quantity of money, and after 6-7 months, your revenue is something like $5,000. Now you have $10,000 from the investment plus $5,000 of revenue, and you take that $5,000 and you buy a precious ring for your wife to celebrate your anniversary, and you still have the initial £10,000, and you can do this with a car, with a property, whatever. I like to call this the precious ring gold investing strategy. And you can still leave the money in the hedge fund, and that will continue to give you another rings, another gift for the people you care. The reason number 5 is because Forex is a very consistent way to make profit. You can make profit when the market goes up, and when the market goes down as well. It's very different, for example, from stock market. In stock market, you can only make profit when the market goes up. This is a very different situation. The reason number 6 to invest in Forex is because you can create unlimited income, because the Forex leverage is amazing. You can control $100,000 with only $1,000. It's all about the leverage, because Forex allow us to do this. That's why it's very fascinating to invest here, because if you invest $10,000, your revenue is very amplified, because by this, the formula of $100,000 for only $1,000. That's why Forex is very powerful. The reason number 7 to invest in Forex is for the superlative ROI factor, the return of investment. This is the favorite asset class of the super rich. For example, if you invest $200,000 in a property for rent to generate some cash flow, you will rent it, for example, for £1,000 every month. This is the big difference. You can have every month £1,000 or dollars, investing $10,000. You see the difference? You have the same revenue every month, and the difference is the investment, Forex investment is $10,000. If you you decide to invest in a property, you will need to generate that revenue. You will need to invest $200,000 to have the same result. This is crazy. You can see that you will receive the same quantity of revenue every month, and you don't have to be worried about to rent apartment, if the people is destroying the apartment or the property, or all the problems you will have if you rent a property. And you can imagine what happens if you invest the same quantity for the one property, if you invest everything in Forex. How many times you will have 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000? How much you can multiply that with the same investment? That's why the super rich, they say that is the favorite asset class for them, because the ROI is huge. It's amazing. I really don't believe to make shortcuts in business. I don't believe in that. But in comparison, if we think about this situation here, it's not a shortcut. This is a real quantum leap. It's a massive jump. If we are talking about the ROI here, if we are talking about the ROI, it's like it's a quantum leap. It's a very massive, huge jump of quality. It's about how much you can have with the same investment, how much you can amplify your investment, the return or the revenue of your investment. This is all about. It's pretty amazing. Go send investing in the road to freedom once again. Be happy, healthy, and free.